Welcome to Module 3. Now that we understand a little bit more about nature and nurture and the genetic versus the environmental factors that can happen to bring a young person into this world, now we're going to start looking at that young person. So now we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of that lifespan. We're going to start with the prenatal development. So once this child has been conceived and is being carried in the mama, what are some of the influences and things that happen as they go through those stages to prepare that child for birth? So we're going to look at that prenatal stage. We're going to look at those influences. We're going to look at the medicine that's available to help the young baby before they're born. And then we're going to be looking at the birth process itself. So, the choices that we have for birthing and things like that, and bringing this young child into the world. And right after that, we're going to take a look at the family adjustment. And this is a really critical piece, because when that baby comes into your world just changed in a big, big way. So we have to be ready for the baby. So what are the preparations that we're having within our family to prepare for that baby? If we've never had a baby, if this is our 5th or 6th baby, there's still adjustment, there's still change, there's still things that we need to do to prepare for that baby. And then we'll go on to that newborn, the very, very newborn that comes in, and what we should expect to see from that newborn. So this is really the very, very, very beginning of the lifespan, but we're going to take a nice look at that. How do we get introduced to the world? So I hope you enjoy the chapter. This module as well will have our first written assignment. So far we've been reading, we've been doing a discussion, we've been doing a quiz. This module will have an additional assignment. So please take a couple of extra minutes to assign yourself to have the time to complete the observation. In this assignment, which is in the module, you'll be able to see it. You're going to be observing an infant and then writing a summary to tell us what do you see? What do you see? What did you learn by looking at that infant? Don't worry, there are wrong answers. Kittens is the wrong answer. Don't write kittens. That's the wrong answer. But you're all going to see different things, and that's okay. Just make sure that you're reviewing the observation and that you're recording what you saw and the influences that meant something to you. I look forward to seeing all your papers and seeing you in the discussion boards. Enjoy the chapter.